Hey everybody, and welcome to Literature and Culture with me, Miss G. I am so excited to have you guys and meet you all tomorrow. But before that, I just wanted to come on here, especially since this is a hybrid class, and sort of give you guys the lay of the land by sort of walking you through the course. We'll cover this again tomorrow when we meet face to face, but I did just want to come on here and make a little welcome announcement. So if you look, here's the announcement section. I will be posting announcements at least weekly, if not more often than that. So always check these announcements and just kind of get the scoop on what's going on, little reminders. I'll try to hyperlink assignments and things going on. Let's go into content. As you can see, I've laid out the course into units. We do have a final exam. This is some of the course readings, not everything. And there's 2 course schedules, so I'll have to fiddle with that later. But don't you guys worry about that. So if you go to introduction, start here. I have helpful materials. I have a little welcome video, just a little bit about me, and then we have your syllabus. So definitely take a look, print it out if you like. I have the in-class discussion guidelines, so really important. One thing that's super big in my class is I do expect you to discuss the literature in class. So that is about 10% of your grade, so you do want to make sure that you are reading those guidelines, looking at how frequently you have to participate in class. We'll have weekly reading questions based off the literature that we'll cover in class. So you, like I said, you do want to make sure you click through and read through this stuff along with the syllabus. There's other helpful materials, student resources. I think the discussion board, I don't know why it's down here, guys, but this is the online discussion board grading breakdown as well. You are expected to participate in that weekly discussion board, and our first one is already up there, ready to go. So you do want to make sure you take a look at that. But just kind of the same song and dance that you guys have maybe seen before. Initial post due by Thursday, 2 responses to 2 classmates by Sunday. So take some time to click through that stuff. We'll start here in Unit 1. Actually, let's click on the course schedule. So you look in here, gives you sort of the lay of the land, all the things that we have going on. So again, this week, we're going to cover the syllabus. We'll look at discussion 1. And honestly, guys, if we have time in class, we'll go ahead and start reading some of these texts. Even if even if we work ahead a little bit, the due dates for the questions and activities that are associated with that still doesn't change their due date. They're still next week. So we may work ahead a little bit. And so just keep that in mind as you follow the schedule. It can shift a little bit depending on time. All your assignments are listed here. Let's just take a peek at this week's discussion. I think it's pretty simple. We do have an updated student health acknowledgement form, so please just click that link, and then in part 1 of your discussion, just write a short statement that says you have viewed and acknowledged that form. And then we're simply just introducing ourselves, giving me some show recommendations, or maybe some good jams that I should listen to and add to a playlist. Talking about our experiences with reading and literature. And so that's pretty simple stuff for week 1. Let's see, go back in here into content, and we're going to start in Unit 1. So as you can see, all the texts are here, and our questions for those texts are here. Week 1 discussion, week 2 discussion. So everything that's associated with Unit 1, which is our writing about literature and poetry, is all right here. So yeah, pretty simple stuff. I don't think, besides, there's no quizzes, just those discussions, reading questions, and then you'll have some activities and projects that we'll do. But we'll talk about those at length tomorrow. So as always, if you guys have any questions or you need anything, shoot me an email, and I'm happy to help. And I look forward to meeting you guys tomorrow. So have an awesome day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.